Okay, so got the key. I'm here to go start it up. Right? As I'm trying to start it, I crank it to halfway. This is what it's showing. Then when I crank it halfway up a little bit more, still show the same thing. So as I go to crank it, as soon as the lights come on, so I would give it full power if you could hear it. We could put it a little closer so you could probably hear it. It just did that. So look. It's not even like doing nothing. It's just clicking. Let me give it to you. I think you can hear it from outside the car. Probably hear it a little better. But look, this is what you can hear.